So here we have our Series 7 switches, and I've put the power supply on top here because this one is industrial managed switch. This isn't PoE, and this one has 4 10 gig SFP slots and 8 1 gig combos. So the combos are here on the front, so they could be either SFP or network, and then you've got your 4 10 gig, and then over here you've got your additional Ethernet ports. Now you put your voltage in here, and that could be anywhere between 9 and 56 volt DC. There's another version of this also, which is the SIL716S8C4M, and they have 16 SFP ports, so SFP ports will be here. For the industrial version of the PoE switch, you need to use a bigger power supply, so we have this 480 watt power supply at 48 volts, but here you can see this is the SIL734C24MP with 4 combo ports. So on the front you've got 4 1 gig combo ports, and then this will be your 24 PoE ports, and again they are all ports, all 24 at 15 watts PoE, but if you run them at 30 watts PoE, then that will drop to 16 ports available PoE. There you go. That's the Series 7 switches, and yes, they do operate in Silverview as well.